doing today?
Unboxing.
Unboxing what? What are we unboxing?
This one.
This one. It is an Angry Bird.
Oh.
Yeah, so what do we do first?
Open.
We need to open. How do we open this plastic bag?
Cut.
We need to cut using a...
Cut.
How do we cut it? What?
Cut.
With what? What do we use to cut?
Cut.
What do we use? What did you tell mommy a while ago you needed?
Cut.
Yeah, how do you cut? What tool are we using to cut?
With what? With what?
Cut with what?
That's the name of this.
What do you call that? That one?
Zoom.
Huh?
Zoom.
No, not there. Like this. What is this?
Cut.
What do you call that? In the other, what is that?
Cut.
Come on, I help you.